While it's picking up in fame lately, not every person has known about ghee. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and acids which advance great well-being. Ghee is its own extraordinary class of margarine. At the point when margarine is bubbled, drained solids caramelize and are expelled. Ghee is the concentrated buildup of unadulterated fats that remaining parts. It has a particular nutty taste, and contains no hint of drained proteins, sugars or water. It is one of the most noteworthy sustenance wellsprings of butyric corrosive and is overflowing with vitamins and unsaturated fats, both unsaturated and soaked. It additionally stacked with omega-3 and 9. Like spread, ghee must be devoured with some restraint, close to 3 or 4 teaspoons day by day. An excessive amount of ghee can deliver destructive impacts. In the present video, we will portray 8 medical advantages of incorporating ghee in your eating regimen. 1. Fabricates strong bones. Ghee is one of only a handful couple of nourishments that is rich in vitamin K, particularly vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is basic in helping the body use minerals, including calcium. Indeed, this powerful vitamin fabricates bones more proficiently than calcium. Keeping up a legitimate level can likewise ensure against tooth rot. Another capacity of ghee is to keep joints and connective tissues greased up, expanding adaptability. 2. Invulnerable system booster. Ghee is overflowing with vitamin A, which dispenses with free radicals in the body. Vitamin N is likewise entrusted with keeping the resistant framework working appropriately. That is not all. Vitamin A will be an intense cell reinforcement that may help keep certain sorts of malignancy, particularly ulcerative colitis that could some way or another prompt colon tumor. 3. Lifts energy level. Since specialists suggest that competitors utilize ghee as a reliable vitality source, maybe we should accept a similar exhortation. The unsaturated fats in ghee are immediately handled by the liver and consumed as vitality. Other than boosting digestion and vitality levels, ghee helps in the body's ingestion of fat-solvent vitamins like A, D, E and K, which improve stamina. 4. High smoking point. While being prepared, ghee can persevere through a higher smoking point contrasted with coconut oil or additional virgin olive oil. This implies when the temperature ascends to the stratosphere or 482 Fahrenheit it won't break into free radicals. These contemptible free radicals are unsteady atoms that make devastation on our well-being, from untimely maturing to malignancy. So when you devour ghee, your hazard level of ingesting those reprobates are to a great degree low. 5. Enhances the digestive tract. A recent report uncovered that individuals with unfortunate stomach-related tracts don't normally create butyric corrosive. Since great absorption is a key to great well-being, it's basic to consolidate sustenances rich in butyric corrosive into your eating regimen to help processing. 6. Diminishes inflammation. Butyric corrosive is one of the real unsaturated fats that the body needs to battle irritation, particularly in the gastrointestinal tract. Patients experiencing ulcerative colitis, Crohn's illness, or other provocative gut sicknesses would be shrewd to incorporate ghee in their eating regimen. 7. Enhances eye health. Vitamin A makes the rundown due to its capacity to enhance eye well-being and ensure against a few eye-related medical issues. This effective cancer prevention agent helps in disposing of and killing free radicals that assault the macular cells. 8. More beneficial skin. Ghee's normal properties can keep skin saturated over a drawn-out stretch of time. It enters profound into the skin to keep it hydrated. Dry skin quickens untimely maturing, including wrinkles, scarcely discernible differences and droopy skin. Here's the manner by which to apply ghee. Warm a little measure of ghee until the point that it's at an agreeable temperature and liberally apply to your skin. Back rub all together for 5 minutes. Hold up 10 minutes previously showering. Following this technique day by day will make enduring, sparkling skin. To treat dry lips, apply a thin film and leave on overnight. You can store ghee without refrigeration for a considerable length of time and it will at present stay new. Since the drained solids have been evacuated amid the handling, ghee can be securely devoured by individuals who are lactose narrow-minded. Ghee is additionally an option for the individuals who are searching for a margarine substitute.